I'm going to show you in under 2 minutes how to build brand benefit sections like this inside your Shopify theme. First of all, they look fantastic on desktop and they are fully editable. And also on mobile, if we scale them down, they will automatically scroll and loop through all of the different options. This is a fantastic section to put on your site if you're trying to quickly communicate a bunch of features or callouts really easily without taking up a ton of space. So the way that it is laid out inside of Shopify is we have a section layer where you are able to adjust your page width and adjust your background color. Then we have a layout, which is another container within the main section that holds all of our groups, which is each one of these guys over here. And then in each one of the groups we have an icon, and then we have some text, which again you can edit the icon by dragging in an image, or always with these sections you can hit customize and then you get access to more advanced features, such as if you wanted to drop in a raw SVG to make the icon look a lot cleaner. Now, the way that you can add this into your theme is you'll need to, first of all, add this app called Flexi. Full transparency, this is an app I built to help speed up my professional development services. I'm a freelancer that's been working on Shopify sites for 5+ years now, and I used to charge well over $1,000 to build a section for Shopify Plus clients, and then I built this app that is now only $12 per month, where you can add up to 10 sections on the launch plan. Or if you're a developer, you can try for free on a development store. Once the app is installed, you want to go back over into Shopify, and then you can navigate over to the slider sections page. Then you'll want to select your theme, hit save, and then add in the section. Now, the section that we added in this demo is called brand benefits. So I searched to find brand benefits here, and all you have to do is hit the add section button. Once the section has been added to the theme, go over to any page template, go to plus over here to add in a section, and then search your newly installed section name. So perfect, we can add any of these brand benefit sections in here. For this example, I'll just show you that we can add in brand benefits 1, and there you go. It looks extremely similar to the example shown below over here. If you found this video useful and you're curious about how to edit and work within Shopify themes, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, cheers.